Good afternoon, my dear fellows. Today we are going to talk about packages in Unity. Package is a really nice way to export some objects from your game or even the whole game and share it with your friends or whoever you want. The same way when you want to import something or download it from internet or from asset store, the packages are the way to go. It is easy to import the package, so you have a lot of objects and systems ready to use. So let's imagine we've got our player which has a lot of components and a lot of children objects, they all connected together and so on. This player is just ready to be used. And now we want to move it to some other project or share it with somebody. How can we do that? We can right click in our project and choose export package. Now we can decide whatever we want to export. Let's say I will export the whole game. But of course you can just choose whatever you need. If you want to export only your player, you could just pick player prefab. But remember, prefab is not the file on its own. It uses some other assets. So in our case, player prefab might use player movement script, it might use player sprite, there is a pistol on it as well, so they are all dependency that this player prefab is using, so we have to select them all. And now we could just export it, but as I told you, I want to export the whole game, so I will click on all. And sometimes it is a really good way to make packages when you want to make a lot of changes into your project and you are afraid that something might go wrong. So you export the package and it's safe. Whenever you screw up, you can just import it and you back again on the track. So let's click on export and now choose the location. I will put it on the desktop and I will call it like my package. And now save it. Now it is saved, it is on my desktop, so I can delete nearly everything from my scene. So let's just grab whatever I've got in here. I will save it, I will remove my sprites, my player movement. Okay, so I pretty much cleaned my project. So I have my package saved on the desktop, so now I can import it. Right click in the project, import package, custom package, and now I will choose my package. Now it shows whatever this package includes, and whenever you have this new icon, it means that this is something new and we don't have it in our project, and this icon means that we've got this level 1 scene already, but it's different, so it will be changed. As you can see, we've got many scene as well, but it's exactly the same. That's why there is no icon and it actually will not be imported. There is no this field here. You can't tick it on or off because Unity can see that this is exactly the same thing. So now I will select everything, which is by default, and I will click import. Okay, everything was imported. The Unity has found out that our scene has been changed because we imported a new one. So I will click on reload and now you can see that everything gets back to its previous state. So this is why you are going to create a lot of packages along the way, and this is how you are going to import some packages if you download them from the internet.